Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss a very old paper from MIT Entrance. This paper is from 1869 and here we have 7 questions from arithmetic portion. Now there were other papers as well, so there was a section on algebra, there was one section on trigonometry as well. I have already made a video on this part, so if you want to check that video out then you can go and check out in my channel. I will also put the link in description. I think there were 8 questions in this. Now let us try to solve these 7 questions. Now one thing you will notice that these questions are very easy. So this gives us a feeling of that how mathematics has progressed over the years, right? Nowadays you won't find such easy questions. Now if you want to try all these questions, then you should try on your own first and then you can cross check your answers, right? Cross check your answers. Also please put your score in the comment section that how many questions you were able to solve them correctly. These are very basic and easy questions, but in 1 or 2 questions you might be confused by the language, right? So let us try to solve them. Okay, so the first question is find the sum, then the difference and the product of 3 5 by 9 and 1 7 by 24, and we have to divide them as well. So let us try to solve this. So let's say I will use this color. So first one, let us first find the sum. So we have 3 5 by 9. If I want to convert this mixed number to a fraction, then what I will do is 3 into 9, 27 plus 5, 32 by 9. Similarly, this one 1 7 by 24. If I convert this, then I will get 31 by 24. Okay, now let's solve them. So 32 by 9 plus 31 by 24. So from here I will get 2. Okay, now if I take LCM, there is no need to directly multiply them. If I take LCM, then I will get 72. So 9 into 72 by 9, that would be 8. So 32 into 8, that would be 256. Plus 3 times, so 93. And from here I will get 349 by 72. 349 by 72. Now can we simplify them further? I don't think so, because okay, so this is our answer. Okay, let's solve the second part. So second one is the difference, right? Second one is the difference. So same way, here only I will change minus sign, right? So I will not solve them again. What I will do is 256 minus 93 by 72. So from here I will get 3163 by 72, right? So this is our second question. So sum is done, difference is done. Let's now solve the product part. So we have to find the product. So we have 32 by 9 and we have 31 by 24. Okay, now if I multiply them, then I will get 216, and this one 32 into 31, so 960 plus 32, that would be 992. Now we can simplify this further. So from 8 we can do 27. From 8 we can do 1 2 okay 4. I think this is good. So 124 by 27. Now let's solve the division one. So we have 32 by 9 division by 31 by 24. Now from here I'll get 32 by 9 into 24 by 31. Now if I multiply this, then I will get, okay, we can cancel this out, right? 3 8 32 into 8, that would be 256 by 93. So this is our answer. So all 4 parts are done. and you can cross check your answer. So the first one was sum is the 349 by 72, difference is 163 by 72, and then we have product is 124 by 27, and then we have division, so we have 256 by 93, right? So this question is done. We have completed this question. Now let us try to solve the second one. So we have 73,000 by 1900, so we have to multiply them. So 73,000, what would be 73,000? So 73 by 1000, 1900, we have to simply multiply them. Now this is very straightforward, right? Here I will have 5 zeros, and 73 into 19, if you multiply them, 9 3s 3 9 are 27, 2, and this would be 65, 73, 7, 8, 13. So 1387 by 5 zeros. Now if I convert this to decimal part, then 0.01387. So this is our answer. So the first one is done, second one is done. Now let's try to solve the third one. 2880 divided by 0.0036. So we have 2880 by 0.0036. Now how can we solve this? Now if I take this decimal out, then I will multiply by 4 zeros. Now I can cancel this out. So 36, 288 divided by 36. 288 divided by 36. I think we can cancel this out. Or you can cancel them out in, let's say, 4 into 9, 7, 2, and 8. Okay, so this was 8 times. So this is 8 and 0, 80. Now if I multiply them, then I will get 80, and there are 4 zeros, so 5 zeros actually. So 5 zeros total. 3, 5. Okay. Now you can rewrite this as 800k, right? So 800,000. This is the answer. 800,000. So 1, 2, 3 is done. Let's try to solve the fourth one. So the fourth question: find the value of decimal of in decimals of 1 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Now this is a very easy question, right? 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2, and 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. If I add them together, then I will get 0.95. So this is the answer. Okay, fifth question. What part of the month of August is 7 by 18 minutes? Okay, so 7 by 18 minutes is what part of the month of August? So if I want to compare these two, then obviously I will have to take both of them to same units, right? So I will have to convert month of August month to minutes. Then only I can compare them, that what part is 7 by 18. So let us try to first convert these to minutes. So in August month, we have 31 days. Each day consists of 24 hours, and each hour consists of 60 minutes. So this is the total minute. And we have to find 7 by 18 minutes is what part of this one, right? So let us try to solve them. So we have 7 by 18 divided by this part, 31 into 24 into 60. 31 into 24 into 60. So from here I get 7 by 18 into 31 into 24 into 60. Okay, now it is up to you to multiply these four numbers. I can leave it as it is as well. So let us try to multiply them. Okay, let's say 24 into 60, that would be 1440, right? And 31 into 18, 31 into 18 you can multiply. 31 into 20, that would be 620 minus 62. So 10 minus 2, 8. 11 minus 6, 5. So 558. 558 into 144. Okay, now I don't want to multiply further. If you want to multiply, then multiply. Right? Let me know in the comment section if you have multiplied. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So this is also done. All 5 are done. Now we are moving to the sixth question. How many degrees in 0.01 of a circumference? Now this question might confuse you, but this is not that hard question. Actually, what it is asking is, so we have a circle, right? And this is circumference. So how many degrees does 0.01 of this circumference contain? How many degrees? So this is a basic unitary method question. What I will do is, we have circumference. We know for a fact that circumference consists of 360 degrees, right? So the whole degree that it covers is 360. But I'm not interested in the whole circumference. What I'm interested in 0.01 of that. So 0.01 of circumference, let's call this C, right? 0.01 of C, that would be 360 into 0.01. If I take this decimal out, so from here I can cancel out 1 0. So 36 by 10, that would be 3.60, right? So finally this is our answer, 3.60. 3.6 degrees. So sixth question is also done. Now let's try to solve the last question, seventh one. By selling a house and a lot for 5790, the owner lost 3.5%. What was their cost? Okay, so this is a very basic question on profit and loss. But people generally solve this in a very rudimentary fashion. I will show you a better method actually here. What I will do is, I will treat all the cost and all the values in terms of percentage. So what I will do is, let's say cost is 100%. Any cost is 100%, right? But I've sold this at 3.5% of loss. So it means that this value, $5790, is nothing but the value of 96.5, right? If you are selling it a loss of 3.5%, then what is the percentage? You will have to subtract 3.5%, right? So you will have to subtract 100 minus 3.5, that would be 96.5%. So actually this value is nothing but 96.5% value, $5790. But I'm interested in finding the cost. It means that I want to find the value of 100%. So this is a basic unitary method question now. You know the value of 96.5%, but you want the value of 100%. So 1% value will be 5790 divided by 96.5. So 100% value would be multiplying this by 100, right? So let's go to the next page. So we have 5790 divided by 96.5. This is 1% value, but I want 100%. So I will multiply by 100, 5790 by 96.5 into 100. Now if I take this decimal out, so this would be 0. And from here I can, okay, can I simplify this further? So 9655790. 965. So we have 5790 divided by 965 into 000. So this can be cancelled out in 6 times, right? 60 times. 965 into 6, that would be 5400, and 390, that would be 5790. Okay. So we got 60 into 1000, that would be 60,000. $60,000. Okay, so this is our answer. So the answer is $60,000. Okay, so all 7 questions are done. What I will quickly do is, I will write all the answers again so that you can cross check them, right? So that would be a quick recap of all the questions. So the first question, so there are 4 parts here, right? Let me cross check that again. So there were 4 parts here. Sum, the first one is sum. Sum answer was 349 by 72. Then we had difference. difference was 163 by 72. Then we had product was 124 by 27. Then we had division was 256 by 93. So these are the four answers for the first question. Now let's focus on the second question. The second question answer was 0.01387. Third question, in third question we had 800,000. Fourth question, okay, so this was decimal, so 0.95. Fifth question, oh no, so fifth question was very long one, right? Fifth question, okay, let me check the answer here. I had done fifth question. Okay, so this was the fifth question. 7/558 into 1440. 7/58 into 1440. Right? I think this was the answer. Okay, 558. Okay, so this was the fifth one. This is the fifth one. Sixth question we had. For sixth question we had 3.62. Right? And for seventh question we had $60,000. $60,000. Right? Okay, so these are all the 7 answers. You can cross check your answers and let me know in the comment section that how many questions you were able to solve them correctly. Right? How many questions you were able to solve them correctly. I would expect that you would have solved all the 7 questions, but this question might have created some problem for you in understanding the question, right? Or this question as well. So there can be some confusion regarding language of the question. At what part of the month of August is 7 by 18 minutes? And the second question is how many degrees in 0.01 of a circumference? So at first glance, it may look that the question is incomplete or it is creating some confusion, but these are easy questions actually. All 7 of them are very easy, right? And this gives us a perspective of how the mathematics has evolved over last 150 years. So this paper was from 1869, so 1869. So obviously, I think 150 years old, right? So you can see how easy this paper is for such a reputed college. Okay, so let's meet in some other videos. And also, if you are interested in watching the video of algebra paper, so I will put that in the end screen, right? I will also I will put that in the link in the description, so you can watch that video as well. So let's meet in some other videos. I hope you like the content. You can also subscribe and share this video to other math aspirants as well. So thank you.